Okay, in this demonstration, we'll look at how you can insert shapes and equation and diagrams into the online examination or the homework interface in the school management system. The first thing is to make sure you have your question. Make sure you have your question in MS Word or Google Docs, and you indicate the answer to the questions. That is, indicate the answer so that once you are putting it into the online exam, you would not be going back and forth typing the questions. The first thing is to make sure you have your questions. Then you can now transfer them into the online exam. Now in this case, we are going to go over to the online exam question bank. Here is where you put all your questions for various classes. Then after that, you group them into the various groups. Then you can now create the online exam from the groups. That is how you set it. So the question bank is where you put your questions. You select the class, you select the section and the subject, filter. Then you now have options. Single choice option is A, B, C, D. Objective, where they select only one answer. Multiple choice is objective, but you can select either A or B, and not both of them will still be correct. Then true or false is just yes or no, just two options, while descriptive is where the student will have to type in answers. The question level doesn't really apply, but you can select anyone. In the question group, that is the groups you must have created where each question is going to be grouped. Then you now have the mark. Here you can just put one showing that this question have just one mark. Now for this, we'll work with the first question where you will have a rectangle. So I'm going to take the question and paste here, and then I'm going to screenshot this rectangle, which I'm going to transfer to the question. So this is the rectangle. I've screenshot it. Then I'm going to just paste it here. So this is the rectangle now. Then here you have your options. So you have option 1. What is the first option? We take it from here. The first option. Now you don't need to put this indicator here because automatically the system is going to give it as A or B. Then you have this. Then the correct answer, remember the correct answer here was B. So we're just going to select B and save. That is how you insert it. Now if you want to, let's do this practical with another, the same thing is applicable if you want to put this other diagram, which is part of a human internal organs. You copy it and you paste it once you have finished typing the question. So as you can see, you have this. So this is how you put the illustrations. You screenshot them and insert them, or you can insert it through the image button here. You click on the image button, find the image you want to insert, and then you can insert it. So the image button here, if I wanted to insert this, you just insert and then it is inside here. So this is how you insert images, either from the image button or you just copy and paste it when you have screenshot it. So that is all.